Hi, welcome to the training today. My name is Singh. Today I'll be going over the Gaming Commission 1 application. And in this training we're going to cover the security key pin. So when you launch the application, you're going to be prompted with this screen here, and you're going to need a security key pin to access the application. So here we go. I'm going to input in incorrect pin just to test it. So you have 3 attempts to input in the correct security pin. Now the security pin will change daily, so every day the application will generate a new pin to be used. Okay, and the application comes with the keygen here. I'm gonna launch in. I think I launched it twice here. Let me close one. So when you run the keygen will generate the security pin for today. Okay, now this the software that generates the keygen software, I should say, this is kept offline, away from the network or network shared location. It's usually kept and recommended to be kept on a USB stick that can be checked in and out, and you can use that to generate the pin. Okay, so today's pin is 9704, so I'm gonna input that in here. 9704, enter. Okay, so when you input in the correct pin, you're gonna be prompted into the normal login screen here. You can log in as normal users, you can log in as guest mode or visitor mode. So we're gonna log in as myself here, and I'll log into the application. Now there is a secondary location once you're able to log in. So for example, your management team or supervising team, once they log in, they can see the keygen. If I log into the supervisor module here, put in my password, default password 1234. Okay, so inside the supervisor module here, you see that there's a few buttons down here. There's a show today's pin. Okay, and that will display today's current pin, which you can then give to your staff, and they'll be able to log into the application. Okay, the other button here will show you the security key pin log. Okay, so this log is used to monitor the attempted login into the application. So you can see here this date, this time. It's going to capture the computer name and the network or computer user. Okay, and it's going to tell you what occurred. The wrong pin was input, invalid input too long, and etc. Okay, so it's very advisable for system administrators, and especially on the management team, to cover to go over this log once in a while to make sure that you don't have any unauthorized attempted access to the application. So I'll close out of that. I'm going to run the exe file or the key generator again, and that would be it. So once again, this training was to cover the key generator or the security key pin access, and it's always recommended to keep the keygen offline on a USB stick instead of on the same network location or network drive that share for where the application resides. So other than that, thank you for attending the training, and if you should have any questions regarding the use of the keygen or the security key pin, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.